Okay, hi guys, how are you? After a long time, today we're gonna make a very short video. My phone is full. I can't delete anything. I have to really work hard on that. Anyway, today video is gonna be step by step to put the ski gears. So we're going to the mountain, doing some ski right now. So now we're gonna show you step by step how to put the boots and the gears, and we go all the way to the lift. So right now I can't really do flipping the camera, so let's just flip the phone actually. So that's how it looks like today. Okay, so we're gonna stop it and then we record back again. Okay, step one. So I'm just wearing my regular waterproof boots. So we're gonna go to the boots, the ski boots. So that's what it looks like. I have this one, is the salmon. So first of all, I'm gonna take things off. We'll push. There we go. And then I'm gonna do the clip, as you can see. Okay. There you go. Number one's done. Number two. Then we go to number three. There we go. Okay, back again. I just pressed the button to cancel the video for some reason by mistake. Anyway, so I did this. All adjust. Now we're gonna put the belt around. Okay, so do this. And then you tighten it up. And then you're gonna adjust this again. You want it more tighter, right? There we go. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other pair. Okay, so these are the clips. There we go. That's the boot. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing over on that one. Okay, move this away. Need to push. Done. Again, do this. Do the same thing. Alright, so I hope I'm not pressing the wrong button over here. Alright. Okay, we're back again. Put the jacket on. Okay, helmet, goggle. Okay. And then the other video will show you the gears and everything. All right. So the jacket is on. 2 layers. Actually, today is very nice and warm. It's not that really cold. So we're gonna be okay. Gloves here. Okay. So let's stop the video and show you the ski gears now. Okay, so that's my ski head. These are the poles. We're gonna need them, and I will show you how we're gonna put the boots with the clips over here. Okay, when we go all the way there. All right, so let's move. Okay, we're back. Now we're gonna clip boost to the ski. So you push to the back. See, there we go. Now I go to the other one. Same thing. You push from the back so the red buttons will go all the way down. Oh, sorry. I have to press it back. Okay, see. Here we go. Now it's down, so when you clip this, push will go up, sorry. Here we go. Now, good to go. Holes, we're gonna go. There we go there. And I'll show you when we go to the lift. I'm just gonna put my gloves on. Oh, beautiful. It's not really busy. Feels amazing. So these are the lift. You go all the way up. Yeah. Alright, so let me stop this with the gloves and I'll go back. Okay, so gears in, gloves, poles, everything ready. I'll adjust myself when I go all the way up. I put the helmet nicely and the goggle. And yeah, so I'll just go to the lift right now. I'll stop the recording and so I can flip the camera and we'll go from there. All right, ready for the new adventure. All right, so going to the lift. Normally this is like crazy busy over here, but just because it's during the day, so not too many people. So look at that. Nice. All right. So normally what we do over here, we scan. We have a card. We scan to the machine. So this one will open for us. There you go. And then you go and wait for your turn. You go to the lift. As you can see, there's some people are not really even wearing the heavy stuff. It's nice and warm. We're going to the mystery. So they call it the mystery. The mystery feature. That's where we're going to. There's three kinds. Three runs over here. Okay. So we're gonna go down this way, or you come that way. Yeah. Okay. Stop. Come back. Up the view. So then come that way. There we go. So get up on the lift. There's the lift. Wow, it's so quiet today. I love it. Okay, so the other lift is all the way there, if you can see it. Yeah. So it's a little icy, but we'll see how the run goes. So we're gonna start from that guy. Okay, which way we go? So you're gonna go all the way there, this way, and then you go all the way around down. Alright, so I'm just gonna adjust myself now to be ready, and we'll see how it goes, and then we'll keep doing it. Okay, let's do. Okay, I forgot to do this actually. You have to put the layers of the pants, the liner over the boots so the snow doesn't come in. I completely forgot to do that. Okay, so see, so now the liner covers all the boot, and then the the actual pants, it's over as well. I just need to make it fully cover the boots so I don't get the snow under. Okay, so this is how it looks like. There you go. The other side, see? So you put the liner. There's the liner, cover the whole things, and the pants actually. I already get in. I went down from that side, so we're gonna go again this way. Let's see if I can make a video while I'm skiing. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so we'll try. I'll catch the whole thing, so it's gonna be a bumpy ride. All right. So the skis here. It's hot. Yeah. So let's go. I'm not wearing the other pair of the gloves. This is another trick. Let the kids learn how to ski. All right. So let's go down. I'm gonna try to go slow. All right. Let's see, nice, and nobody's here. Lovely. Wow. Snow condition is very nice. This little spot is kind of icy, but it's good. And it's not that really cold, actually. Yeah, so you can see. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go that way, maybe. I'll try this way. So, this way is kind of very quiet. Not too many people here. See? Oh, beautiful. So nice. Alright, let's go speedy. Woohoo! Oh, nice, nice. See, that's the lift. There. Going down. There. Okay. Oops. I'm staying in my way. So I'm not using the poles so much, but in case if you fell, so you can use them, help you to get up. And yeah, almost done. I'm not even wearing my goggles. I'm wearing my sunglasses. Woohoo! All right. First run done. I'm gonna adjust myself. See this guy is taking the shirt. As well as, all right. So we're gonna go back again, the same thing. All right, done for the video. Oh, I hope you like it. All right, let's try to get it off from my hand. Okay, done. I hope the video was good enough to explain how the things goes with the boots and the ski gears and everything. And yeah, hope enjoy. I hope it's gonna be a nice day. No rain. The cloud is coming, but it looks like okay, no rain is gonna come. Yeah, so I'm gonna stay here for another couple of hours at least, and we'll go from there. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I hope you like the video again. If you like it, you like it. See ya.